Hi everyone, so I'm back again for another video.
Oh my goodness, look at the time. It's 10 o'clock.
Get it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Hi everyone, so today I'm back for another video and I'm with my sister. If you guys haven't noticed, my sister looks much darker than usual, and that's because she went to Greece. You've got lipstick all over your teeth. On these ones. So yeah, she went to Greece for a week and she's hella dark. You can see a difference. Like, I basically look like a yellow, orange, white kind of thing beside her.
Can you see it? Can you see the tan line?
Today, my sister's actually going to be doing my makeup. So I don't know how this is going to go. She's not
Very bad.
She's not really. She doesn't really do that much makeup.
No, I don't.
We're just going to jump straight into this video. So if you want to see what my sister's going to do on my face, then just keep on watching.
I'm wearing glasses because I have mascara on. Are you ready?
You have mascara on, that's why you're wearing glasses.
Yeah, because my eyelashes are too long.
So,
Too long. Okay. What is this? I've never seen this.
I've already got my
before.
foundation, by the way.
Why would you do that?
So what are you going to do? You watch my tutorials, you better know what to do.
Wait, so you got foundation on?
No, I've got my moisturiser on, I said.
No, you said you got your foundation on.
Oh,
already.
well, I didn't mean to say that.
What's this? What am I using this for? I'm gonna use the Milani.
Okay, just choose whatever you want. I look like a disaster. What's going on?
I look like a teacher. Okay. Oh god, I look like a grandmother. So I'm using the Smashbox eyebrow pencil. Okay. What you wanna do is you brush it up, upwards, up, up, up. Oh no, not up. A bit diagonal. Towards the direction of the eyebrow. Then what you want to do is you get the pencil and you, I don't know how to do this, oh my goodness. Okay, so you want to start at the top, do a light, very light, hey, no looking, wait, a very light, it's recording, a very light stroke like that, and you want to follow the eyebrow lining.
You should know how to do this because you're always painting anyways.
And then you do the same at the bottom but very lightly.
You look like a grandma teacher or something.
Thought you're moving and it's ruining my eyebrow art. So you've contoured, outlined the eyebrow. Then what you're going to do is do very light strokes, light. Oh, and then you start putting pressure.
Stop! I can't stop laughing.
Yeah, see, you ruined it now. Okay.
I'm feeling a lot of pressure.
Okay. That looks okay. Then you do the same for the other side. And then they're meant to look even, but if they're not, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. Lies. It won't make you perfect.
This is like my brush stash. Please ignore it.
You add a bit of foundation on your hand. Oh yeah, look at that contrast.
I know.
Oh my goodness. And what you want to do is you just, you dot it on the skin. And then you don't want to waste it, so you just...
Did you just put that on my hair?
No, it's not the one. Okay. So I'm using this brush. And then what we're going to do is you do circular motion. Circular. You don't just pat it, you don't want to rub it, you circular motion it.
Circular motion it.
Yes.
Oh, you're sticking up my nose! What the? Oh my god.
Oh, I forgot to add the corrector. There's quite a lot to correct, but it's okay. You add a bit of...
Oh my god, you put so much.
Oh, yo. Okay. So you want to dab it on underneath.
Oh my god, with your long ass rusty nails.
And then you dab it
You're
here.
not poking me yet.
Where else do you put concealer? Oh, put some like here. And you do a little like direction thingy. And you put one streak on the nose.
I really need to clean my brushes.
Ooh. Glowy.
Oh no, this concealer's dewy.
Then what you want to do is you get the...
You're not gonna faint because you're on your knees.
No, wait, don't worry about it, don't worry. You want to blend it in. I should have done this from the start, but it's okay. What we do is, we add some banana nai powder. You want to add some banana nai powder?
Banana.
Banana powder.
Banana.
Okay.
You better not drop my powder.
Under the eye.
Do you know I was looking at tickets to go to Nice yesterday?
So you can let that settle in.
Do you know you used to go there all the time? Yeah, it was me. And Bill.
What you want to do is, I'm using this.
Okay.
What? Oh wait, this is...
No way! I'm sorry, I shouldn't have done that.
What do I do?
Do whatever you want to.
Wait, I need to put like... No.
Oh my god, I probably look like a monkey when I do that.
Wait, now I can't put it now because then the other stuff...
Oh my god, I look like gorilla.
Why? Oh. So I'm using the Cocoa blend. I'm going to use a Morphe brush. So you want to start off with a light colour because otherwise it will not settle and it'll just... Okay, basically, yeah.
Let's just give up on that.
Don't stop opening your eyes, you don't need to look. You wanna put it all over the lid.
Oh, I think I have a problem. I need to go see a doctor.
Especially on that one.
I feel so much pressure on my lid. No, I feel so much pressure like behind my eyes. Like, is that one really bulgy?
Yeah, that one's probably sticking out. I feel like you have a cyst.
Really? Maybe I do have a problem. I need to go see a doctor.
Okay, so basically, okay, we need to use another brush. We're going to start off with a dark colour on the outside. So we're going to use the Beans Are White. Beans Are White colour.
That's a funny name.
And then you want to... It's too big. It's too big. Actually, we're going to use this one. No, yeah. Wait, let me test it out. Okay, we're going to use Infusion because it has a better name for its colour. Okay, so what you're going to do is you want to start on the outside. Oh, crappity crap. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so you want to blend it on the outer thingy. Stop opening your eye.
I feel like this is going to be a disaster.
You don't want to go too high because it looks like your eyebrows are blended in with the thingy. Don't worry about it, don't worry. You want to start off with a bit because otherwise I'll make a massacre. Hey, stop opening it.
I was checking if it's recording.
You're creasing your eyes.
Oh, well, sorry.
You want to work from darker to lighter.
Feeling so much fallout.
What does that mean?
It went down my nose.
Oh, it's okay. Then you want to go even lighter. So we're going to use a pure ganache.
The way you said that was like pure ganache. I'm like pure ganache.
Okay, close your eyes.
That's what I say. I don't even know if that's how you say it, but...
Now you just want to... Okay, no, let's not get that brush. Then you get a clean brush. Clean brush and just blend it all in. Just blend it. No, don't look. Don't look.
I'm not looking.
Just blend it.
I don't even know what
Wow.
this looks like right now.
Okay, so we're done with the eyes. No, we're not done. Oh, yo. Close it, close it. Close it.
Wait, your hands are like proper shaky. Oh my god, go on. You start practicing.
Okay, open your eyes.
Can you do wing line on you?
Yes, I can.
Really?
No. They need to look symmetrical. Oh, definitely don't look symmetrical now.
I can't stop laughing.
Stop!
You're proper shaking on my face.
Okay.
Oh gosh. Do you want me to put the mascara so it's quick?
Yeah. We're going to use blush. Makeup Forever.
Blush.
I mean bronzer. He's even going on it.
Yeah, trust me. He has to like proper swirl in it though. I don't know why, but...
So you want to start on a corner and rumble your way through it and blend. Add some highlighter to make it look popping. You want to streak? Okay, look your way. Your lips are ashy.
Why, thank you.
You're welcome.
Put on my teeth, why don't you?
Excuse me, you put it on my teeth.
No, I didn't.
What you then want to do is get a lighter colour and no, don't do it. Where's the lip thingy? Don't look too close. Look a bit far.
Oh my god, you actually got skills. The eyeshadow's not that bad. Well, I'm actually kind of shocked because my sister doesn't really do the makeup. And you put the lipstick alright.
I know.
Skin,
It's just the eyeliner that looks awful.
skin's looking good. Eyebrows are okay. A few dots in the middle, but let's get close up. It's focusing on your face.
Okay.
Look at the eyeliner.
Close your eye. If anyone want their makeup done by me, hit me up on my Insta. Description below. Oh wait. No, it's not that one. Yes, it is that
I feel like she's been waiting for this the whole time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of funny actually because my sister does not do makeup. Do you do makeup? Do you like doing makeup?
one. Not really. Just put foundation on. I like it, I just don't have the makeup. Birthdays. November.
Yeah, she's expecting a bunch of makeup from me basically. But I think like once I get her makeup she'll be able to practice a bit more. But yeah, so this is the look she created. I think it's not bad for like a beginner, to be honest. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more videos of my sister, let me know what you would like to see, and leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!